Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fold Tesla Model Y seats. First, make sure your rear cargo area is completely clear of any items that might obstruct the seats. Next, you'll want to locate the two release buttons. These are conveniently positioned on the top outer edge of each rear seat back, making them easy to access from the trunk or rear doors. Once you've found the buttons, simply press one firmly. You'll hear a click as the latch releases. With the button pressed, gently push the seat back forward. It should smoothly fold down into a flat position, aligning with the cargo floor. Repeat this process for the other seat back to create a fully flat loading area. After folding both seat backs, take a moment to confirm they are lying completely flat. This ensures maximum cargo space and prevents any damage. Also, quickly check that no small items have become trapped underneath the seats during the folding process. A clear, flat surface is ideal for loading larger items safely and efficiently. When you're ready to return the seats to their upright position, simply pull each seat back firmly upwards. You'll feel it engage and hear a distinct click, indicating it has securely locked into place. Always double-check that both seat backs are fully upright and locked before driving, ensuring passenger safety and proper seat function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.